Friends, hi. Once again, I am on your mobile screen. Kem cho? Dear students, in my last video, I explained about the wonderful writing section, and that is essay writing. Today, I am going to explain a wonderful one more writing section, that is letter writing. Okay? So let's learn letter writing. Hi friends, you might have enjoyed two Hindi songs and the hero was Salman Khan. आपने गाना सुना होगा, कबूतर जा 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 कबूतर जा 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 डाकिया डाक लाया. Have you heard these songs? My friends, in these songs the main focus was to pass the message, and at the time of kings, so the only media was to send the message, that and pigeon was used to send the messages, and a person was sent to the another kingdom with a note. But as the time passes, the media of sending the message was changed. But so far as your language is concerned, your English language is concerned, the writing section is concerned, we have to discuss in this video letter writing. And in your English subject, this subject means letter writing is very very important, and it will give you 4 marks in your annual examination. So today's discussion will be regarding letter writing. So now let's understand कि what is the definition of letter writing, यानी कि व्याख्या क्या है. What is letter writing? First, letter is a written message. Actually, letter is not a any difficult writing, but letter is simply a message, and we know, and we pass on the messages. And there are many ways nowadays in 21st century. We are using scientific instrument, we are sending emails, and we are using WhatsApp, we are using so many other media, video calls and all these things. But before some years, only one media was used, and that was letter writing. So letter is a written message. Second thing, that we write a letter to persons who are far away. Yes, this is very important thing. This is very important. जो हमारे से बहुत दूर है, the person is very far away from us, we write a letter, and the letter reaches to that person, and the person reads our letter, and he gets our message. The third definition is we want to convey our message to them in a clear and forceful manner. Yes, the message must be clear, and the message must be in a forceful manner. Now, what is letter writing actually? So the letter writing is the exchange of written or printed communication. Actually, we write some words, some sentences on the paper, and actually we write it. What does it mean? It is a printed communication. But my dear friends, you must remember, when we write anything, we use words, we use sentences. What does it mean? It means we are sharing our feelings, we are sharing our thoughts and views and knowledge. This is very important thing. So in a letter, we don't just write some sentences, but we express our feelings, we express our thoughts, we express our views, and we express our knowledge also. Second definition is कि writing letter is considered to be an easy thing to do. It is very easy thing to do. So letter writing is not a very difficult task. Just you take a pen and a paper and you write whatever you think. आपके मन में जो भी ख्याल आते हैं वो आप पेपर के ऊपर लिख दो, बस. दैट इज लेटर. But so far so far as your art is concerned, actually letter writing is an art. Writing is an art, and you should write a letter in a specific manner. I will explain how to write a letter later on. Now third definition is but very few. Please remember this word. Very few write really good letters. So suppose 50 students are there in your class, and all the students are given one page and pen, and they are asked to write a letter. So it is not everybody's cup of tea to write a good letter. So they write, okay, no doubt they write, but they do not write in a good sequence. They do not express their feelings in a nice manner. So very few persons is a master in writing a good letter. Then a good letter should follow all the rules of good conversation. This is very important information. Should follow all the rules of good conversation and good composition. Yes, this is a very very important word. Composition यानी कि एक बंधारण होता है लेटर का, एक स्पेसिफिक, it has a specific composition, and without composition if you just write, so it is nothing but just a dump of information. Then types of letter. There are different types of letter. The first one is personal letters. We write a personal letter, means person to person communication. So first is personal letters, second social letters, third informal letters, and written to relatives and friends. This is important point. Relatives and friends. These are personal friends. Suppose your friend is living in America, or your friend is living in Ahmedabad or Baroda, and you want to share your own feelings, you want to share your happiness, you want to share your sadness, or suppose you have enjoyed Navratri, Diwali or any festival, and you want to share your feelings with your friends. So that letter is called personal letter. And sometimes we invite our relatives or our friends. That is also personal letter. Suppose you are going to celebrate your birthday. Suppose you are attending a marriage ceremony of your cousin, and you want to invite your friends for this marriage ceremony, and you invite your friends. So that is also called a personal letter. Second type of letter is business letter, and third type is official letter. My friends, we are not going to discuss anything regarding business letter and any discussion about official letter. Then letter components. This is very important. Letter components. So what are the different parts of a letter? The first part is the writer's address. This is very important. Why this is very important? Because suppose you are getting the letter of any friend, so without address, how can you know that whose letter is this? So on the top you write your name and you write your full address with dates. Second point is also the date. So on which date you write the letter, so the recipient can at least know that on which date you have written this letter. Third is the inside address for the recipient, means to whom you are writing the letter. Suppose you are your friend, the name of your friend is Dipen Patel. He is living in Surat, suppose. So you write my dear friends Dipen, and even you can write the address of Dipen also. Then salutation. Salutation means what? Ki generally you already know that my dear friends, respected teachers, honorable sir. So all these are called salutation. Then body of the letter. This is very important part. The body of the letter is very very important part, and this part needs grammar section. This part needs grammar. This part needs spelling and spelling also. and power words. In this part, you must write power words. You must be careful regarding grammar and at least feelings and emotions, and clear cut idea should be expressed in the body of the letter. Then again the part is complementary clause. Complementary clause means what? Ki generally you sum up the letter, and generally we write okay, give my regards to your parents, give my love to your little sister, give my love to your little brother. So these are called complementary clause. Last point is writer's signed, but generally we do not put our signature. We just write yours faithfully, your lovingly, your friends, and all these things. So these are called components of the letter. Yes, this is the example of different components. So you can see the first, just I have told that the first part is writer's address. So here you can see, in this part you can see your name, your address, your city, your state, zip code. Zip code यानी कि पिन कोड नंबर. तो वल्लभ विद्यानगर का पिन कोड क्या है? 388120. This is our pin code number, and your phone number also. So the person, the recipient, he or she doesn't know your contact number, so at least you write your contact number so he can give you response also. Your email address also you can write. Then recipient address. Recipient address's name, title. Suppose you are not writing a letter to your friend. Suppose you are writing a letter to the commissioner of Gujarat, or commissioner of municipality president. So the title means the post of the person. Company, here company doesn't mean that जिसको कहते हैं हम कारखाना ऐसा कुछ, but the company means the office. And address also, city, state, and zip code. And dear Mr., Mrs., the last name, first name, whatever you want to write. Then this is the body of the letter. Yes, this is very important part. This is very important part, and just I have told you that in this part, grammar, power words, and feelings, and the clear cut idea must be shown, clear cut, and no excessive information is needed in this part. Then this part is called complementary clause. Again, thank you, your name, and I told you okay, give my regards to your parents, give my love to your little sister. So these are called complementary clause. And here the last part is writer's signature, but here you will write your faithfully, your lovingly, your sincerely, so and so. So these are the different components written in your letter. Now formats. Actually generally students are very much confused. Okay, sir, what is the actual format of writing a letter? So here I clear cut tell you that there are two formats: full block format and semi block format. Now what is full block format and semi block format? Let's see. So you can see the layout of writing. So the first part means this part is called semi block format. Generally, in simple words, suppose I say, so the address part means your address you write on the right side, that is semi block format, and you write the address on the left side, that is called full block format. This is full block, and left side is semi block format. There is nothing to worry, and don't be confused too much. So suppose you write a letter means address on the right side, that is semi block, and suppose you write the address, your address, on the left side, that is called full block address. And suppose you write any layout of writing a letter in your notebook, both layouts are right. There is nothing to worry. आपको चिंता करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं, इसमें कोई मार्क्स कट नहीं होते हैं, चिंता मत करना. This is the example of full block letter. Just I zoom this letter, you can see it, you can see properly. Yes, your name, address, your city, state, zip code. So this is called this is address, means your address, your name, address, and this is written left side. And again recipient's address, name, and name of the company or office, whatever you write, that is also written on the left side. And then the body the body of the letter, and in the last you write a closing ceremony also. So this is called the different layouts of the letter. Okay, my friends. So I hope you have understood the different types of letter, and it is very easy. Last but not the least, I tell you, when you write the letter, please take care of the formats of the letter. Second, language control. Yes, in any letter or in any writing part, your language must be controlled in a controlled manner. Don't be exaggerated. Itna means don't write excessive words which is not needed in your letter. Third point, don't make grammar mistakes. Okay, then power words, use power words. It creates a very good image on teachers' mind. Okay, and whoever reads your letter, he is definitely impressed by your language. So this is about writing a letter. My friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and in my post, once again I give you homework regarding letter writing. My friends, do very hard work at your home, and I give you only 3 letters. You please write at home. Okay, and I will give you in a PDF form. Okay, thank you very much. God bless you, beta.